Yeah.
Y'all with one of the clubs out there?
Nah, I just got invited from Rudy. Ken, what's happening? What's happening?
Bro, I was gonna
I see you put the blue tips on.
What you, huh?
You put the blue on.
Oh yeah, we did blue.
Yeah.
We did the grill change.
Oh, man, it looked good. It looked good.
Yeah, didn't
It looked good.
Nice,
It did. So that's the changes that he was talking about, guys.
Yeah.
Versus that. Yeah, that looked good. Yeah, I really like the blue though. The blue pops it
Blue
out.
came out real nice.
Yeah, it did.
Came out real nice.
Looking good, man. Looking good. What color is this?
Admiral Blue.
Admiral Blue. Man, this thing nice.
It's a rare color.
Yes, it is. Looking good.
I got Mustang.
Nice,
I got
bro.
Mustang. That one that you did a review on, that brown one that you did on your channel. That
You got
one
a Fox body?
That Fox body brown one that you did.
Yeah, you got one too?
I got 4 eyes. Yeah.
Woo! Yo, Fox body on my list. After I do my ZX, I'm hunting for a Fox body, bro.
I seen you got that fucking ZX.
Yeah,
I seen you got that shit.
I got some stuff in the making, bro.
Check this out.
But enough about that, man. You still clean, bro. God dang.
Yeah, I gotta get ready to do some maintenance though now. But you know, you figure shit.
Yeah,
18 years, you know what I mean? This shit.
Bro, this 18 years. That's
18 years.
Crazy, bro.
16 on the inside, 18 on the red paint. So,
dang. Who painted this mug, bro?
man, my boy from here's my Fox body right here.
Bro, he got 4 eye. That's crazy. That's hard. That's hard.
Yeah, man. I got other shit. I ain't in no rush. No.
Right. I feel you.
Like, that's the thing in the game. You can't let people rush you.
That's a fact.
That's back when the Dub Show down.
Back when the Dub Show, yo, this OG right here, man.
In the back, we have Chili Hefe, cooking cousins, golden bites. We have free activities for the youth.
What's up, bud?
Hey, anything, bro?
Y'all boys clean. This all original interior? Yeah. Nice.
Watch yourself. Alright, ready? Cut it hard, cut it hard.
Paid off. 5-year payments.
Big boy ZL1. Nice car, my man.
Thanks.
Alcantara? Alcantara on the inside? Nice, nice, nice. Crazy. This thing hard. The 40s on it? Like 22s. No, they like 22s, 24s. They 22s. Oh, he definitely got 4s in the back though. Yeah. This thing nice. This thing is nice. That's how you freak a old school. This is how you freak a old school. Alright, they got the music playing, so I'm gonna have to talk over it just a little bit. Grand Prix. It's a bad car right here. Car right here.
Okay. Got a 90s running gear with an old body.
Giving me ideas, y'all. Giving me ideas. Giving me ideas. Got the Richie's on here. Yeah, this look good too. So loud. See that one? Like mine? I thought she moving. Yeah, it got 4Gs on it.
Let me tell you something, girl, I've been trying to say now. You look so sweet and you're so doggone fine. I just can't get you out of my mind. You become a sweet taste in my mouth now, and I want you.
Down in the hood. Said he got 6 TVs in here, y'all. Y'all, one day I will build another big rim car. Oh yeah, he's flipping screens. Yeah, he's flipping screens.
Oh yeah, now, darling. Come on, come on. Hey, there, sugar dumplings. Come on, give me something. Girl, I can need a man, no other girl can enter into our world. Not as long as you rule, baby. Oh, come on, make me feel good inside. Come on, prove me, baby. Move me, baby. Oh, suck it to me, mama. Oh, I like it like that, baby. Give it up, turn it loose. All right, hey, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Give it up, turn it loose. It ain't no use. All right, hey, hey. Give it up, turn it loose. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. All right.
That's yours? Looking good.
Said it's all right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't you give up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right on up, we're gonna bump you. Right on up, we're gonna bump. Right on up, we're gonna bump you. Right on up, we're gonna bump. Right on up, we're gonna bump you. Right on up. I say get up, 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 get up. Sit back down. Right on up, we're gonna bump you. Right on up, bump. Right on up, we're gonna bump you. Right on up.
Looking good, sir.
How you doing?
I like it. I like it. Oh, that's yours? Oh, I like that too. I like that too. Like the setup, man. looking good.
Appreciate it.
All right, y'all, we're here with Don from Phase 2 Corvette Club. You got that ceramic gray Corvette?
Oh yeah.
Talk about it, man. What you got
All
done
right,
to that thing?
got a ceramic gray Corvette. It's called Ceramic Matrix Gray, and it's a 2022 C8 Z57.
Z57?
Well, Z51, my fault.
Okay,
Z51.
Okay.
Z51. And I started in 2022 when that was my first C8 I ever had. So when the 2020s came out, it was one of those joints that I was like, I definitely need to get.
Yeah.
So when I retired in 2020, it was one of the cars I was looking at. And I retired from the Marine Corps 22 years.
Oh, appreciate your service, bro.
Vet. So in 22, I finally got that car. And then I was just driving it like a regular joint, just driving.
Yeah.
And then I went to my first car show.
Okay.
After that, it was on.
It was on.
So now, after going to my first car show, learning the ropes, seeing what everybody have, now my CA is pretty legit now.
Nice,
So
nice. What have you done to it so far?
Right now, I got 22-inch rims in the back and 21s in the front, and I got those from Rell Dynamics. They're color matching, so they're ceramic matrix gray. Inside my car, I got carbon add-ons. So if you go to the carbon add-on site, you'll see all the carbon fibers and things like that you have for your car. So I got that from carbon add-ons, and it's all the trim. I have the wheel, well, the steering wheel, that's a carbon fiber steering wheel that I have. And I have in the front, what you call the front, I actually made where it's called an infotainment system, where it has speakers and it has like an iPad where you can play everything.
Man, dope stuff, dope stuff.
In the
Congrats
rear,
on the C8, bro.
Hey, appreciate it. In the rear, we're not done.
What you got done to the rear?
All right, to the rear, I got where you got a see-through engine. So I got an engine bay where it's see-through. It's the same color matching of ceramic matrix gray, and also it has the matching engine cap that covers the engine. And that's all custom made with Marine Corps symbols.
Nice, man. Salute to you on that Corvette.
Hey, appreciate
Enjoy
it.
it out on the road, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's just being a responsible man versus I don't get people who
cars out here, real bit. Great cars out here.
They got that work out here.
participants that you must register, you must have a placard. The placard registers you for the show is $25. Every vehicle, if you have the placard, please put your placard in your window. You can hang it from your vehicle. We are active shouting from Brandywine Elementary and Glen Park High School. So if you have family members come, please tell them to come there. Because if they come here, they're just going to contribute to the traffic and it's rolled out, okay? Once again, this event is brought to you by NC3, No Club, Corvette Club, no, yeah. Alright, this is brought to you by the Southern Regional.
Little history behind this one. He said this was his mother's car, y'all. So he had this for a long time. But this thing is clean, crazy clean. Let's check it out. Let's check it out.
We have 20 specialty trophies, starting with longest driven, Pepper Choice, best female, two of those, best engineer, best forward, best interior.
Mom's car.
I
like that. I like that.
Youngest contestant. Start choice.
Yeah, I like that one, man.
Man, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
That's old school. 2-foot trophy. How about that, gentlemen? Sponsors trophy. The Charles Brooklyn in Maryland. Operation 30.
What do you think about buying the motor?
Comrade Harold Acton. And go on to the Corvette Corvette. Those two are single-one trophies. Stay around.
To make that thing look a lot neat on me.
Enjoy the show. Check out the vendors. Thank you for coming out. Appreciate it.
How you doing, my man?
This is another quick reminder to please make sure you register your vehicle. Tell your family, tell a friend, but they must park at Glen Park High School or Brandywine Elementary. Food trucks in the back, all free for the community, all free radio house, prayers, arts on the road. We got some so-called places.
up here.
Oh, you got it.
Especially in the DC federal government. I'm retired. Okay. I leave that work to you youngsters.
Already ran. I had to put in a couple shows.
again, we are live here at Deals, Grills, and Good Vibes. Brought to you by the NC3 Car Club and the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission, Department of Parks and Recreation. Once again, this is brought to you by the NC3 and the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission, Department of Parks and Recreation. This is how we kick off the summer. DJ Skins on the ones and twos. We're gonna party today. Celebrate life. My parking lot attendants in the back. Please don't let anybody.
clean, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
So is there a special Corvette class for the awards, or is it flat on?
How you doing? Huh? What's the year? 2014. Hey, wow, that's a first.
That motherfucker be going. Windows be all the way down. Windows be all the way down.
Looking good, brother.
Thank you. Nothing like those over there.
Nah, you in there, man.
Oh no.
You in there.
Well, thank you.
Shout out to my good people like all the way in the world.
It's a pretty day. It's a pretty day.
Well,
family, Mr. Harold Atkins, and we're donating this trophy in his name. That's why we want you to have this one instead of the Best of Show. They're both Best of Shows, but this one is going to be presented to you by his family. So this is Mrs. Atkins, his son Kason, and they want to present you with this Corvette Best of Show from Harold Atkins in his name. So they came out special today. Yeah, 107, we got you. We just want to make sure you were Best of Show, but for this trophy, not the other. So
Show it up to everybody.
so congratulations again. Thank you guys for coming out, taking that car out.
Now, one more.
Best of Show 102, Damon 2017 Nissan GTR. We figured it out. Nissan GTR, number 102, Damien 2017 Nissan GTR. Still in the house. Are you still in the house?
Oh, baby.
Thank y'all for coming out. Appreciate you guys for sticking it there with us.
Thank y'all.
Our first show, we'll do it again. We'll be better next time. Thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to the DJ Skids. Thank you to everyone prepping your cars, bringing them out. Thanks for the SART crew. Appreciate it.
Good, y'all.
Hold on. Let me get him right here.
You gotta clear out of here.
Good job, man.
I gotta go rent a U-Haul.
Congratulations, man.
Thanks, y'all.
Hey, you always filming everybody else.
I
Now
know,
you
ain't
get
that
to
something?
film.
Thanks, bro.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you, man.
Hey, Don, I see you, man. I get an outro to the interview, man.
You want to get a picture?
How many you picked up in this thing?
I got 2 trophies at this one.
And it's well worth it. Look at this thing, y'all.
No, that's fine. Look, girl, she got to say, what more do you need to do to yours to win? She's like, man, what else you gotta do? Like, yeah, what more do you need? I said, I don't know, I gotta go back in the lab and do some more tweaking, man. Congratulations, bro.
Congratulations, you too, bro.
Thank you.